Which food is the most popular food in Africa? Which food comes to your mind first and why?
It's the food that is always causing war. And you know what that is? Jollof.
Jollof.
There's Ivory Coast jollof, there's Ghanaian jollof, there's Kenyan jollof,
There's Tanzanian
there's
jollof.
South Africa itself. It's just that
So guys, the debate has been on for many years now on which is the most popular food in Africa. Which one do you think, guys? Which food is the most popular food in Africa? You know what? I want you to sit down, relax, like, comment, subscribe, and share and watch to the end. Let's go, guys. Kunle's name, what's your name?
Moses.
Moses. Okay, good. Moses, which food is the most popular food in Africa?
We have kebab.
Kebab, which is suya, okay?
Yeah, and ugali.
Ugali, interesting, okay?
Yes. We also have since I'm a Nigerian, jollof rice.
Jollof rice, okay?
Party jollof. Yes.
Party jollof, okay, good.
Teju. Well, I'll say fufu because even Panadians, most people call it fufu because they can't really tell. So fufu, and I think it cuts across countries. So yeah, maybe couscous. Yeah,
Couscous, okay?
yeah, pap.
Pap, okay?
So that one. Yeah, I think bean cake here.
Bean cake, okay, good. Alex, which food is the most popular food in Africa? Which one comes to your
Africa?
mind? Yes, in Africa.
In Africa,
Yeah.
okay, I'll go with egusi soup. I'll go with jollof rice. Jollof rice first, Steph. Then I'll go with porridge. Either yam porridge, beans porridge, yeah, all of that.
Porridge, jollof rice, and egusi, right?
I'm okay. Rice.
Rice. Why rice?
Everybody eats rice. Broke, rich, everybody eats rice.
So that means you eat rice every day? Or
Um,
maybe like twice a week or thrice a week?
Actually, more than twice a week. I eat rice most times in a week. Yeah. So basically, most times in a week. It's the carbohydrate that you just easily think of. If I just chop rice, I beg, then mix it with anything you want to mix it with. Understand?
Gabriel.
Gabriel, okay, now Gabriel, which food is the most popular food in Africa?
Well, the most popular food that I know, rice, jollof rice, porridge, and pap.
Pap, okay, okay.
Nessa,
Wura.
Natasha,
Which food is the most popular food in Africa?
Gary,
Gary?
rice, jollof rice,
Okay, what about you?
fried rice, chicken.
Okay, what about you?
Gary.
Gary, why Gary?
Because everybody's always talking about doing sakpa.
Okay, okay. So Sakpa means difficult times, yeah?
My name is Cynthia. Jollof rice.
Why jollof?
Jollof rice is the most popular, and I think you can always see people fighting on Instagram, TikTok, Ghana jollof, Nigerian jollof. But Nigerian jollof is more.
You prefer Nigerian jollof?
Yes.
So have you tasted Ghanaian jollof?
I haven't, but I still believe it's Nigerian.
So do you know there's Tanzanian jollof?
It's not popular.
There's Senegalese jollof.
I don't know, but I know of Nigerian jollof. And I believe Nigerian jollof is the most popular.
Okay, good.
Olumide.
Which food is the most popular food in Africa? Which food comes to your mind first and why?
It's the food that is always causing war. And you know what that is? Jollof.
Jollof.
There's Ivory Coast jollof, there's Ghanaian jollof, there's Kenyan jollof,
There's Tanzanian
there's
jollof.
South Africa itself. It's just that they have different names and different method of preparing it. But last, everything I see jollof. So yeah.
So which one do you prefer? Which one do you prefer out of all these jollofs?
Tiwa now. Omo Nigerian BBC.
Nigerian jollof.
Yeah, Nigerian jollof. Yeah.
I'm favor. We have rice. We have swallow. We have beans. We have different species like we have akara.
Bean cake.
Yes.
Binga.
Which food is the most popular food in Africa?
Yeah, I'll be going for egusi and aneba.
Egusi and eba.
Then I can actually go for beans and dodo.
Beans and dodo. That's plantain and beans.
Angela Olua.
Which food is the most popular food in Africa? Which one and why?
And what comes to mind is jollof rice.
Just jollof rice.
Yes. White rice, I guess. Anything rice, I think is a staple food in Africa. So I'd say jollof rice or white rice and some form of stew.
Okay, okay.
Daniel. I'm gonna have to say jollof,
Jollof, okay.
kebab, and
Kebab, okay.
what's the shit that they call pilau? You know pilau?
Pilau. Pilau, you know pilau. Pilau, okay, good. Have you tasted pilau?
I have now, but I have this cousin, right? And he's a blogger and a travel blogger. So he's like, bro, you have to taste pilau.
Pilau. So you're saying pilau, kebab, and jollof rice. Okay, good.
Just it up for me. Jollof rice,
Jollof rice and
beans and bread.
jollof rice, beans, and bread. So which one do you eat more?
Jollof rice.
Jollof rice.
It's rice. Rice is very very common. And if you talk to like local food now,
We can see like eba. People eat eba often. Fufu, especially fufu.
Fufu,
Especially guys, six wrap of fufu.
6 wraps of fufu.
So it's
Well,
common.
I can eat 6, so don't mind me, guys. I can eat 6. Okay, that's all. So which one do you eat more? Rice?
I prefer rice. I prefer rice, fried rice, jollof rice, coconut rice, pink rice, everything, kokosho rice.
Everything rice.
Kush. Jollof rice.
Jollof rice.
Yes.
Jollof rice. Why do you think it's jollof rice?
Well, jollof rice, this is a neat food. People can come from like outside the country to eat it. Even us, we can eat it. It's a decent dish, not local.
So guys, let us know your answers in the comment section. Which food is the most popular food in Africa? Let us know your answers in the comment section. Like, comment, subscribe, and share. See you on the next one, guys. What's your name?
Nessa.
Nessa, what do you do?
Well, I do vlogs. I'm a dancer. I'm an artist, songwriter.
Interesting.
Yeah.